Welcome to another quick review. Today we're going to look at a really cool tool. We're going to look at the Gooloo duster. Now, if you're familiar with dusters, you usually use them to clean out just the computers where the dust collects around the actual fans, your keyboards, things like that. But this thing can do so much more. We're going to go over a few of those things, and that's also why I have all of this out. We're going to test it and see how it works. Before we do that, let's see what you get in the box. It's going to come just like this in the box here, and it's going to have a nice manual that's going to walk you through everything. It's got nice QR codes. If you're having trouble, you can scan and get a lot more information. Now, it is going to have 4 different tips. Now that you've got different tips for being able to blow into crevices and keyboard points, being able to actually have a lot larger spray. This thing can even move leaves outside. It's that strong. This one, I like it in particular. It's a long pointed tip, and this one you can use to actually inflate things like water toys and water floats and things like that, or air mattresses. Really cool because you don't usually see that with something like this. It's also going to come with your USB-C charging cord with USB-A end. Now, it doesn't have the block. You're going to have a block to plug it into, or a power outlet that will accept that. But that, nowadays it's pretty much common, and they are everywhere. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and test it, and I'm going to bring you in a little bit closer. We're going to see what it does. So let's do that. Okay, so the first thing we need to do before we can clean anything is we have to pick a tip. We're going to take this little broad tip here. It has a point at the end. You're just simply going to take it, put it on, and it locks into place just like that. You have 2 buttons. This one is going to actually allow it to spray. This is going to be your on and off and speed. And actually, if I do this, you can see that is on, and we are in the high speed. Hit click it again. I'm in second speed. Now I'm in low. If I push this, that's my low. Let's go ahead and move up to 2. And here is, actually, went right past it. There's 3. All right. So let's see what it actually does. Let's go ahead with the keyboard. Let me face it towards you to make sure you can see. Now, it's actually pressing the actual keys down. Very powerful. All right. This is going to be, let me move this out of the way. This is going to be my sander. It always collects lots of dust and dirt. Let's see if anything comes out of it. You can actually move the sander. Oh, there's all of that. Blow it away. That definitely works. Now I also have this. This is with the radio system that I use while I'm doing drywall, and I have drywall dust on. Let's change the tip. Let's go ahead. Let's even try this pointed one that we air up tools and see what it actually does. It's a little bit more concentrated. I don't know if you guys saw that. It just blew everything right off the top. Now, the last one I want to test is we are going to test the fan. Now, fans always collect all kinds of dirt and hair. I would definitely say that's working, guys. So if you're looking for a really awesome duster, something that you can blow away debris in a job site, something that's going to get rid of dust in computers and electronics, that'll even move leaves, I don't think you're going to go wrong picking this one up. Do yourself a favor, grab one today. We'll see you guys on the next one.